Welcome back to my class. Today we have another very interesting question on the board. I'm going to take my time to solve it. It's a very simple one, and then just follow along. Please, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, please endeavor to subscribe and then turn on the notification bell and then give me a like. For my loyal subscribers, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, and then so that Facebook and YouTube can recommend it to other users as well. So let's go on with this question. So what we just need to do is to say our solution, and then we'll bring out the question. 3 log x to base 10 plus 19 over 3 log x to base 10 minus 1 equal to 2 log x to base 10 plus 1. So what we're going to do is to use a substitution. We can just simply say let a equal to, or let's just say let log x to base 10 equal to a. You can see that log to base 10, log x to base 10 is common to both the left hand side and the right hand side. So we can just simply make a substitution. So once this is done, our equation becomes 3a plus 19 all over 3a minus 1 equal to 2a plus 1. So what we need to do now is to look at both sides. This becomes a fraction, so we can easily put this as over 1. And then it's either we cross multiply or we look at the denominator on both sides, find the LCM of the denominator, and then multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of the denominator. But let's just use the simple approach, which is to cross multiply. So this multiplies this, and then of course this multiplies this. So once that is done, we are going to have, what we are going to have will be 3a minus 1 in bracket multiplied by 2a plus 1 close bracket equal to 1 multiplied by 3a plus 19 closed bracket. So let's expand the bracket on the left, and this will give us 6a squared plus 3a minus 2a minus 1 equal to 3a plus 19. Okay, so this is leading us to quadratic. So we have 6a squared plus a minus 1 equal to 3a plus 19. So let's bring, since this is quadratic, let's move all the constant and variables to the left hand side. So we're going to have 6a squared plus a minus 3a minus 1 minus 19 equal to 0. So this will give us 6a squared minus 2a minus 20 equal to 0. So we can reduce this to, since we can see all the numbers present, all the terms have even numbers, all true. So we can just simply divide by the lowest even number, which is also the LCM, at 2. So we have a squared, 6a squared over 2 minus 2a over 2 minus 20 over 2 equal to 0. Of course, anything we divide by 0 remains 0. Sorry, anything divide 0 by any number, the result is always 0. Okay, so we have this. So this is 3a squared minus a minus 10 equal to 0. So once we come to this, we can simply factorize. How do we find the factors? What we just need to do is to look at, since the equation of a squared is 3, so first find the product of 3 and minus 10. That gives us 3 by minus 10 will give us minus 30. Okay, so we find two factors of minus 30 that will give us a difference of what we have in the middle, which is minus 8. Those two factors definitely will be 5 and 6. Okay, let's say minus 5 and 6, then 5 and minus 6. So which one would it be? I think it should be the second one. That's 5 and minus 6. So with that, we can go on to simplify this to 3a squared minus 6a plus 5a minus 10 equal to 0. So this will give me 3a is common between these two. So we have a minus 2. Between these two we have 5, then a minus 2 equal to 0. So I'm going to move over to this end here. So what we have now is, so I combine 3a plus 5 into one bracket. So I have 3a plus 5 in one bracket, and of course I bring in a minus 2 into the second bracket. That gives me 0. So from here we have 3a plus 5 equal to 0, or a minus 2 equal to 0. So what I have here now will be 3a equal to minus 5. So that gives me a to be minus 5 over 3. And of course, the second solution will be a will be equal to 2. So these are the two solutions for a. Don't forget that in the original equation, there is nothing like a. We don't have anything a there. So since log x to the base 10 equal to a, and then so we have case 1 now. So for case 1, we're going to have log x base 10 equal to minus 5 over 3. So following what we did yesterday, we convert this to indices. So you have base to the power of the result, and then will be equal to the number. Here x is number, 10 is the base. So we are going to have x to be equal to 10 to the power of minus 5 over 3. So let's look at case 2. So for case 2, we're going to have log x base 10 equal to 2. So the same way, 10 to the power of 2 will be equal to the number x. So we have x to be 10 to the power of 2, which will give us 100. Therefore, we can conclude by saying that x equal to 10 to the power of minus 5 over 3, or x equals 100. So that gives the solution. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up and a like.